Alright boys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you the new way on how you can create a faceless football short channel. Using AI, trust me, you're going to get a lot of value from this video, so you can't afford to skip this video. But first of all, I want to thank you guys for supporting this channel. We are currently at 10,000 subscribers. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. Let's take a look at this channel before I show you what we will be creating. This video has gotten over 600,000 views, and I'm sure that the channel hasn't even gotten close to 100,000 subscribers. If you're doubting, we can open that in a new tab just to check how many subscribers the channel has. Okay, now you see the channel has only 45,000 subscribers, but this video gets 600,000 views. It's proof that people are interested in this kind of content. Now let me show you what we will be creating.
Imagine a boy running barefoot in Madeira, Portugal. That's Cristiano Ronaldo. Growing up in a tiny house with little money, his dream was to play football. At 12, he moved to Lisbon.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way to generate an engaging script for your football short channel. Okay, to generate a script, we are going to be using DubDub. Click on the AI writing feature here. This page is going to open, and what we simply need to do is click on the plus icon over here and select Ask AI to write. Then this window is going to pop up. Now it's trying to understand what kind of video you want to create. For instance, we have YouTube videos, TikTok videos, social media content, marketing pitches, and tutorials. You can choose between YouTube and TikTok. There is actually no difference because to get views on YouTube, the video has to be engaging. To get followers on TikTok, the video needs to be extremely engaging, so both of them still work. For this video, I'll be going with YouTube. There are 3 ways you can generate your script. You can use a video script that has proven to work, or use a title of a video that is going viral on YouTube, or even a video description. Now, the simplest and easiest way is to use a video title. So I'm going to be clicking on the title. It's asking what title you want to write a video about. The best way to come up with a good video title that has proven to get views is by going to YouTube and searching. For instance, if you want to make a video about Cristiano Ronaldo's background, put that on the search bar, and you're going to see different videos popping up. Look at this video, the entire history of Cristiano Ronaldo. This video has gotten over 600,000 views, and I'm sure that the channel hasn't even gotten close to 100,000 subscribers. If you're doubting, we can open that in a new tab just to check how many subscribers the channel has. Okay, now you see the channel has only 45,000 subscribers, but this video gets 600,000 views. It's proof that people are interested in this kind of content. So now that you know, what you simply need to do is to copy the title and go back to DubDub, paste the video title you copied from YouTube, and click on the blue icon to generate your script. Now the AI is done writing the script, but obviously, it's too long for a YouTube short. So what you simply need to do is ask the AI to make the script shorter. This is going to summarize the video but still make it engaging for people to watch. Okay, alright, this is the best and easy way you can generate your script. But if you have any other method you would like to share with us, you can drop it in the comment section below so we can all learn. The next step is generating a voiceover. Click on AI voiceover before you generate your voice. First, you need to select the voice actor. To do this, click on More Voices, and then you'll see different voices that you can select from. To get a very good voice, you can also clone your voice. If you want to do that, simply click on Voices, and you're going to see the steps to follow to create your clone voice. For the sake of this tutorial, I already have a cloned voice here, and I'll be clicking on that, which is Leo, and then click on Confirm. Then I'll paste the script that we generated earlier. Make sure to remove all these caps before you generate your script. Okay, then simply click on Export and select MP3. The next thing we need is the visual, and this is the most important step and is very easy. What you need to do is read the script and download images from Google accordingly. Now that we have all the images we will be needing, what we now need to do is to convert those images to 2D photos. That is why we are going to be using TensorArt. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is to use the online training model. To do this, just simply click on it and select 3 to 4 images you downloaded from Google. Now these images are going to serve as guidelines to help the AI create similar images. Okay, now that we have 3 images here, before you click on Start Training, you first need to make sure you put a prompt. Now we need to change this prompt to Cristiano Ronaldo to make sure it understands the image and creates similar photos that we can use. Okay, you can now click on Start Training, give the AI some time. It's going to create awesome copyright-free images that you can use for your video. The second method is to click on Creation, which will bring you to this. As you can see, I've created all the images that I will need for this tutorial, but what you need to do is click on Image to Image. Now the first thing you need to do is import an image you downloaded from Google. Then the next thing is to add a prompt. So I'm simply going to add Cristiano Ronaldo, and make sure your aspect ratio is on portrait, and always on quantity. Select 4 generations and give the AI some time to generate the images. As you can see, the images look very good. So this is how you're going to create all the images you need to make the video. To start editing the video, open any editing software. I will be using Capcut as usual. First, import all your files into Capcut. Then, drag the voiceover into the timeline. Next, remove any pauses in the voiceover by zooming into the timeline and cutting out the empty parts. After that, bring in all the images you generated with TensorArt. Arrange them according to the voiceover to ensure each image is placed in the right place. Change the video ratio to 9:16 for a standard YouTube short frame size and increase the image size to fit the screen properly. To make the video more engaging for your audience, add transitions to the images. Click on the transition icon at the top and choose Overlay. You can also pick the transitions that fit your preferences. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to choose transitions. Next, add background music to the video. Click on Audio to search, then drag the desired music into the timeline. Reduce the volume of the music so viewers can understand the video. To add captions to the video, click on the text icon and select Auto Caption. Choose your preferred language and click on Generate. Capcut will automatically generate captions for your video. First, go to the Captions section under Templates and choose the one you prefer. Then, click on it and go back to the Basic section. Here, increase the font size. I usually leave it at 15 and then increase the scale. Finally, click on Export. Now, let's see what we've created so far.
Imagine a boy running barefoot in Madeira, Portugal. That's Cristiano Ronaldo. Growing up in a tiny house with little money, his dream was to play football. At 12, he moved to Lisbon, leaving his family to join Sporting CP. It was tough, but he never gave up. Manchester United soon noticed him. Under Sir Alex Ferguson, Cristiano became a star, winning trophies and dazzling fans. In 2009, he joined Real Madrid, breaking records and winning Champions League titles. His rivalry with Messi captivated the world. Cristiano's story is about hard work, perseverance, and never giving up on dreams. From a small island to football's biggest stages, he's inspired millions.
Thanks for watching.